The layers in Dibac is an essential function that allows you to organize your drawing and control the properties of the assigned geometry. The layers helps to reduce the visual complexity of the drawing and increase its performance by hiding unnecessary information. Let's start by opening the Layers window. As you can see, the Layers window includes two layers, Layer 0 and 1. Layer 0 is the default layer and it cannot be deleted or renamed. You can set this layer as the current layer and assign geometry and objects to it. However, this is not recommended except in a couple of situations. That's why Dibac includes an additional layer, which is set as current, and this one can be renamed or deleted. So now you can create a set of layers that might be useful for your project. For example, walls, foundations, joineries, furniture, electrical, and so on. In this case, I'm going to simplify it by creating only 3 layers. First, you can rename layer 1 as lines. Now, to create a new layer, you have to type its name and then click on New Layer. Create the other layer following the same procedure. Type the name and press New Layer. After creating the layers, you can change their color by clicking on this box. This way you will be able to distinguish in the drawing the geometry and objects that are assigned to the same layer. Now you can start drawing the walls that will be assigned to the walls layer. To do this, you have to make sure that the layer is set as current and, this is very important, click OK to save the changes made in the layer window. To make sure the geometry is drawn using the layer color, you need to select the layer color in the drop-down menu. Now select the wall tool and start drawing. As you can see, the walls are drawn with the color of the layer. You can change the current layer directly in the layer toolbar. To do this, just select the new layer and start drawing. Any geometry or object that you draw now will be assigned to the current layer. If you want to assign a different layer to an existing object in the drawing, you need to select it beforehand and then specify the new layer. As you can see, the door has now changed to the joineries layer color. In the next tutorial, we'll see how to use the rest of the properties of the layer window.